Today we have the Carden-Loyd Mark 6 machine gun carrier. The basic Carden-Loyd Mark 6 was with stowage boxes. This is an instructional film about the Carden-Loyd. Overhead view. Machine gun, machine gunner, driver, and engine deck, driver, sight. See, here's a 20-foot scale. This dude is tiny. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She's at least 8 feet long. Overhead view with covers. Side view with covers. The Carden-Loyd Mark 6 with armored head covers supplied to Siam, USSR, Japan, Italy, South America, and Asia. Fantastic. The Carden-Loyd was an extremely successful design, easy to build and simple to repair. It was a low-cost design that caught the eye of most of the major powers of the time. It spawned... Oh, there's a cat. That's Coco. Hey, Coco. Hi. I'm doing a documentary about a tankette. Can you hold on a minute? Thank you. Most of the major powers of the time, it spawned numerous lookalikes. Imitations to equip armies around the world. Russia bought a few, copied the design, and produced the T-27. Italy built the CV-33. Poland the TK3. France the Renault UE. And the Czechs took many of the salient features and came up with their MU-4. However, when World War II broke out, it was soon realized that these vehicles were far too puny to survive on the new battlefields. Front view uncovered, rear view uncovered, front view covered, machine gun, driver component. I'm not sure what this is. That's very interesting though. There's something that looks like the UE. That's the rear engine deck. And that is the amazing production of the Carden-Loyd Tankette and a cat.